Are you looking for the best Skilsaw circular saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Skilsaw circular saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Skilsaw SPT70V11 Super SAWSQUATCH worm drive saw. We figured, if we're going to review Skilsaw circular saws, why not start with the largest of them all? The Skilsaw SPT70V11 Super SAWSQUATCH. It's a worm drive unit that comes equipped with a blade that is 16 to 5/16 of an inch in size, and boasts a 6-1/4 inch cut capacity. Read that again. This is not just any worm drive circular saw. This is a beast. It's the biggest, meant for the toughest and largest jobs you can ever hope to tackle with a circular saw. It has almost all its components made of magnesium metal, which makes it very lightweight compared to its huge size. The magnesium construction also makes it very strong and durable. The Skilsaw SPT70V11 comes equipped with a 15-amp dual-field motor that keeps it running cool and efficiently. An inbuilt electric brake quickly stops the blade once you're through cutting with it, which is a very good safety feature to have in a machine of this size. The Skilsaw SPT70V11 Super SAWSQUATCH is one with an unusual size. It's meant for the biggest of boards, and the toughest of projects. With a 6-1/4 inch cutting depth capacity, you can bring out some of your thickest lumber, even lay sheet goods on top of sheet goods. This blade will go through them all at time. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Skilsaw SPT70WM01 10:1, 4 SAWSQUATCH worm drive, circular saw. With the Skilsaw SPT70WM01 SAWSQUATCH worm drive circular saw, you can cut 4x lumber easily in one pass. It comes equipped with a 15-amp dual-field motor which powers the worm gearing, allowing you to cut relentlessly whether you're in the workshop or on the job site. The 15-amp motor not only powers the blade but also keeps it cooler as you cut with the saw, making the blade last longer as a result. Cut any kind of lumber with it, including LVL, PSL, pine and glulam. It's a true worm drive saw that produces all the torque you need to make the most difficult cuts on the job site with ease. The all-magnesium construction screams quality and durability, meaning you'll be cutting with it for a very long time without getting damage, plus it's as lightweight as any machine of this size can ever be. The number 3rd position we have the Skilsaw SPT77WML01 1/4 inch circular saw. Another Skilsaw circular saw you want to take a look at is the SPT77WML01 worm drive model. It's smaller compared to the ones we reviewed earlier, but it's a beast on its own. It's a saw designed with framers in mind. The all-magnesium construction makes it very lightweight and durable, weighing just 11.6 pounds. The SPT77WML01 Skilsaw circular saw comes equipped with a 7-1/4 inch blade with a capacity to cut up to a depth of 2 to 3/8 of an inch. A maximum bevel of 53 degrees with stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees ensures you can make different types of cuts with it. Like I said earlier, it's a saw built with framers in mind. You'll get years of service from this whether you work day in day out on a busy job site. Next at number 4 we have the Skilsaw Southpaw SPT77W11 left blade Sidewinder. Enough said about Skilsaw worm drive circular saws. If you need a Skilsaw Sidewinder model, then this Southpaw SPT77W11 left blade or left-hand circular saw will definitely meet your needs, especially if you're a lefty. It's a left-hand or left blade circular saw, which means you have more visibility of the blade and cut line when you're cutting with it. The Southpaw SPT77W11 Sidewinder comes equipped with a 7-1/4 inch blade and has a cutting depth of 2 to 7/16 of an inch when cutting at 90 degrees. It has a 56-degree bevel capacity and features positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees respectively. It's a saw you can use to cut both hard and engineered wood for applications like decking, framing, ceiling and siding. Like the previous saws in this list, this mode is also made of magnesium metal, which means it's very lightweight. You can get a lot of cuts carried out without feeling the weight in your hands. It's made by Skil, hence you can be sure of many years of service from this Southpaw SPT77W11 model. And finally, at number 5th position we have the Skil 528001 7-1/4 inch Sidewinder with single beam laser guide. If you're looking for a very affordable but quality Skilsaw circular saw, then you should definitely go for this one. The Skil 528001 is a wallet-friendly circular saw best for DIY enthusiasts and weekend warriors to carry out their woodworking projects without investing too much on one tool. Although the Skil 528001 is not very expensive, it does not lack in quality and user-friendly features. The saw comes equipped with a single beam laser guide to help you make straight and accurate cuts easily. A dust blower helps keep the line of cut free from sawdust, allowing you to see your cut line and improve your accuracy. The Skil 528001 circular saw comes equipped with a 15-amp motor and a 7-1/4 inch sized carbide-tipped blade for making cuts. If you ever need to change the blade that came with it, the spindle lock allows you to lock the arbor in place, allowing you to swap blades without breaking a sweat. With a bevel capacity of 51 degrees, you can make bevel cuts even at extreme angles with this model. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.